Which industry is the most diverse or the toughest for women to raise to the top? We somehow love stereotypes, although in cultural change, industry specifics shouldn't be about gossip, it should be about performance. Because the sector's logic defines what works or what is rejected. And yet many companies love to copy and paste practices from other sectors, although their own logic will define what truly resonates. So our research and experience has shown that, for example, in finance, regulation really narrows the space for imagination, but also welcomes rational storylines. Or in life sciences, the research focus drives inclusive collaboration, but the culture limits the readiness for difficult conversations. And in manufacturing, hands-on approaches really dominate, and they also welcome then process-based or structured approaches to drive performance. Our industry-specific approaches have helped overcome hidden biases in, for instance, tech or in the sustainability field. Because there they kind of underestimated or overestimated the inclusiveness of their own company or sector. Or in industry projects, we were able to surface deeply entrenched beliefs and shift them once we spoke the language of performance. What about your sector? Are you tuned in with the logic of your industry, or do you rely on swarm intelligence? Come and check out some insights on diversitymind.eu or drop me a line via my website so we can discuss your industry's specifics and how they can help drive progress.